Dance of Death, end of the 15th century. Workshop of Bernt Notke in Lübeck. The Preacher. Good people, poor and rich, take a look in this mirror, the young as well as the old, and bear in mind that no man can evade death when he is present, as we all can see here. If we have many good deeds to reflect credit on us, we shall be united with God. We shall be rewarded for everything. And take my advice, dear children. Don't go astray. Model yourself on good examples only, for death may come quite unexpectedly. Death. I shall ask everybody to join in the dance. The Pope, the Emperor, and all the other creatures, poor and wealthy, great and small. Step forward. Self-pity will not help you. Remember, you must have good deeds to your credit in order to get your sins pardoned. Now you all will have to dance to my bagpipes. Worthy Pope, at the moment you are the mightiest of all. Let's lead the dance then, you and me. Although you were God's vice-regent, and, as our earthly father, enjoyed all the glory and grandeur of the world, you must now follow me, and become like me. On the earth you had the right to pick and choose. Up there, you will be but a guest. The Pope. O Lord, what's the use of the high post I had in this world, if to the very marrow I must become like you, a speck of earthly dust? I need no glory, I want no power, if everything is to be abandoned anyway. Take heed, whoever of you may become a pope one day. Such was the story of my life. Death. Now, Emperor, it's our turn to dance. The Emperor. O Death, you are a nasty figure. You want to change the whole nature of mine. I was rich and mighty. My power by far surpassed that of all the others. Be he a king, a prince, or a nobleman, they all had to adore me and honor me. Now you come, a frightful figure, in order to turn me into the food for worms. Death. You were chosen, remember, to defend the Christian churches with the sword of justice. But the affairs of the court blinded you to that extent that you did not even recognize your own self. So you just couldn't believe I was here. Now, Empress, you follow me. The Empress. I know, death means me. I have never known such terror before. I thought he was out of his mind, for I am young and I am the Empress after all. I thought I wielded power. I never even guessed he was coming, or that anybody at all could touch me. Oh, let me live a little longer, I beg you. Death. High-born Empress, it seems to me my existence had slipped your mind. Please come here. The time is ripe. You hoped for an easy pardon. No way. Although you were so important, you would have to face the play like all the others. Hold on, here is my hand, Cardinal. Come with me. The Cardinal. Have mercy, Death. If that's the way it has to be, there is nothing I can do. Either I look forward or I look back. I can see death upon my heels. What's the use of the high post I had? I must give it up. In a little while I shall be unworthy, just like a dirty, stinking dog. Death. Due to your estate you lived like a God's apostle on the earth. Your task was to confirm the Christian faith with your virtuous deeds and noble speech. but you indulge in haughtiness and sitting on a high horse delivered but empty speeches. That is why you'll have a bigger load of sorrows waiting for you. Now, honourable king, it's your turn to dance. The king. O death, your words perplex me. I haven't learned the steps of this dance yet. Dukes, knights, and servants have always put the tastiest tidbits on my table, and everybody spoke what I delighted to hear. Now, unexpectedly, you come and rob me of my state. Death. All your thoughts were wasted in pursuit of the glory of the secular world. What's the use? You will become a mote of dust at once. So far you had the right to command and forbid, but poor people gained nothing from it. Now, Bishop, here is my hand.